Hi viewers, welcome to Gani YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create circle in AutoCAD, just like this. Okay, let's start. Open AutoCAD software. Before going to create circle, we need to create menu bar at the top of this window. So click on here. You need to click on here, show menu bar. You can see now we have file edit menu bar here, just like old version. Now I'm going to create circle. So use the command C, enter on your keyboard. Now pick the point at here. Now we need to, you can see in command bar it's asking specify radius of the circle. In our example we have a radius 200 circle, so enter 200 on your keyboard, click on enter to create circle. You can see now we're going to check the circle radius, so click on dimension and you need to select this radius and pick the circle and click on here to place the dimension. You can see now we have radius 200, but this dimension is very small, so to increase the text of this dimension, D enter on your keyboard, click on modify, click on text. By default we have text height 2.5, let's take 25. Now click on the symbols and arrows. We need to increase the arrow size also, let's take 25. Then click on OK, set current and close this window like this. Similarly, go to the example. Now we have the second example. In this second example we have diameter, so we can create circle with the diameter also. So use the command C, enter and pick the position here, and you can see in the command bar it's asking specify radius of the circle, but in bracket we have diameter option. If you want to take diameter, we need to enter here D, initial name D, so enter. Now it's asking specify diameter of the circle. So in our example we have 600 diameter, so type here 600, then click on enter. You can see now this circle diameter should be 600. Now we're going to check this dimension, so click on dimensioning and select this diameter and pick the circle and click on left mouse key to place the dimension. You can see now I have 600 diameter. This symbol indicates the diameter. Here R indicates the radius. Similarly to our example, you can see now I have 600 diameter circle. If you want to change the circle color, so select it. Now click on here and select yellow color. Click on escape to deselect the circle. Now we're going to change this color also, select it. Click on here and select this option like this. Okay, that's it about how to create circle in AutoCAD. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more AutoCAD related tutorials, please subscribe my channel, Gani YouTube channel. Thank you.